Welcome to Rideability! For someone who's easily spooked, squeamish, or claustrophobic, knowing what to expect on a ride can be a game changer. My name is Jenny, and today we're taking a look at Spaceship Earth in Disney's Epcot. Opening on October 1st, 1982, Spaceship Earth is an Epcot classic that explores the past, present, and future of technology in a slow, informational, and dark ride setting. So how scary is Spaceship Earth? Let's take a look at the stats. We're labeling this ride red and purple with an animatronic crossing. If you want to learn more about how we rate these rides, be sure to check out our scoring breakdown video linked below. With a duration of 15 long minutes, this ride consists entirely of a very slow, educational dark ride that does travel backwards for about 4 minutes of its runtime. There is no height restriction, and while there are a good number of animatronic characters on board, there is no scary imagery or theming whatsoever. The ride vehicles consist of very slow-moving back-to-back cars that seat 4 people in each with 2 to a seat. There is no lap bar, and the vehicles come equipped with a pretty fun touchscreen in front of each seat. We've given this attraction a red label only because it is a dark ride by nature. But as we stated earlier, there is no scary imagery at all, unless you or your child is uncomfortable with animatronics. The entire ride is educational by design, and could even be called a little boring by the excitement seekers in your party. We also give Spaceship Earth a purple label because it is an indoor track ride with an incredibly long duration and a significant backwards portion. However, there is no lap bar, and the interactive screen does provide some relief for those who can be distracted from their surroundings. Those who are claustrophobic should take a moment to consider this one if any of those factors may impact your riding experience. We also should note that if slow reclining backwards movement sounds like something that would cause you motion sickness, you might want to consider that before boarding this ride. In our experiences, the backward section caused more of a claustrophobic response, so we didn't feel the need for a green label, but if you disagree, we would love to hear about it in the comments. We are always looking to improve. Finally, we've included an animatronic crossing for the many historical characters found on the ride. While these are not intentionally scary whatsoever, some of them are rather old and could definitely fall in the uncanny valley for some riders. To get a better understanding of what we've told you, let's take a deeper look into the queue and the ride itself. This queue entrance is located outside and actually winds around a bit in the open air before following a long ramp inside. Upon entering, you'll find yourself directly on the loading station where you'll hop aboard one of the ride vehicles from a rotating platform. This queue is definitely a good one for those who feel claustrophobic in most lines, as most of it is located right outside. Once you board the ride vehicles, you slowly make your way into a tunnel and up an incline as an instructional video plays above you. You'll pass through time and space, or just a neon archway, before you're greeted by an outer space landscape and the famous voice of Dame Judi Dench herself. You'll come upon a caveman scene featuring several animatronic characters and a screen projection of a woolly mammoth. From there, you'll enter ancient Egypt, meeting more historical figures before proceeding through a couple more ancient civilizations. These sets are quite beautiful and immersive, so definitely take a moment to take them in as you pass by. You'll step right into the Middle Ages, where you'll find several more historical scenes and characters, including Michelangelo. Then, you'll find your way into the Industrial Age, and suddenly technology is booming. You'll witness the beauty of computers and the internet as you finally find yourself at the top of the dome, staring up at our gorgeous blue planet among a sea of stars. You'll linger in this inspirational moment as your ride vehicle rotates backwards and begins its long descent down. Again, this is about 4 to 4.5 minutes if you're wondering. You'll get to have some fun with that interactive screen in front of you, so enjoy your trip back to Earth. After rotating back, you will leave the ride vehicles and you'll be deposited at a pretty cool Discovery Center to enjoy on your way out. So as a recap, we've given Spaceship Earth at Disney's Epcot a mild red label merely because it is a dark ride, a purple label for its long ride duration and 4-minute backwards portion, and finally an animatronic crossing for the many historical characters on board. While we hope our video has been helpful, everyone's riding experience is a little bit different, and only you can make the decision to ride or not to ride. We just hope our videos can help you be prepared and enjoy your time in the park as much as possible. So thanks for coming along for the ride! We hope you found this helpful and would love to hear your thoughts or requests in the comment section. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more Rideability content, and we hope to see you in the next one. See you there!